Tired of wilted, pesticide-loaded vegetables? Imagine harvesting your own fresh greens, without soil, right at home. Welcome to Maximum Cultivator, India's hydroponic education hub. In this video, I'll show you how to grow green leafy vegetables using hydroponics, the soil-free farming of the future. And if you want to learn this in a complete, guided way, we'll also show you how our modern hydroponic certificate course can help. Leafy greens are the best crops to start with in hydroponics. They're quick, lightweight, and nutrient-rich. Perfect for beginners, popular in the market and full of value. They include lettuce, romaine, butterhead, spinach, amaranthus, fenugreek, meaty, coriander, dahlia, kale, and Swiss chard. And with the right system, you can grow them all year round, even on a balcony. Here's what you'll need to grow leafy greens without soil. Basic materials: net pots, grow tray or NFT channel, growing media like coco peat or hydroton, nutrient solution, hydroponic NPK plus micronutrients, water pump for NFT or air pump for DWC, pH and EC meter, optional LED lights if growing indoors. Once you set it up, plant your seedlings and let the system do the work, circulating water and nutrients to the roots. Hydroponics is all about balance. For leafy greens, keep these numbers in mind: pH 5.8 to 6.2, EC 1.6 to 2.2, water temperature 18 to 26 degrees Celsius, and light hours 12 to 16 hours per day if indoors. Too hot? Use shade nets or cool your water. Too acidic? Adjust your pH with up-down solutions. We've made it easy for you to master hydroponics, even if you've never farmed before. Our modern hydroponic course is a 91-day step-by-step program where you'll learn how to build and manage your own system, crop-wise nutrition plans, disease prevention and organic pest control, business tips and pricing, plus 21 exclusive help cards for the most popular crops. And it ends with a certificate you can use for jobs, internships, or to launch your own project. Join over insert number students across India already growing smarter. MaximumCultivator.com. Start your journey. Here are 3 mistakes new growers make: overcrowding plants, ignoring pH and EC, and not changing water regularly. Avoid these and your greens will stay lush and healthy. You don't need a big farm or soil to grow your own food, just the right method. That's the magic of hydroponics. Like, subscribe, and comment your questions. We're here to help. And when you're ready to grow like a pro, visit MaximumCultivator.com and join our community.